The MELENTA non-stick frying pans are a great addition to any kitchen. And they come in a set of 2 useful sizes, 8 inches and 10 inches. These pans are not just for show. They are built with functionality in mind. The ceramic non-stick surface is like a dream for cooking eggs or flipping delicate omelets. You won't have to worry about food sticking, which makes cooking more enjoyable and cleanup a breeze. Plus, the stay cool handles are a thoughtful touch, ensuring your hands are safe even when the pan is hot. These MELENTA non-stick frying pans are also designed with your health in mind. They are 100% PFOA-free, so you can cook your favorite meals without any worries about harmful chemicals. The turquoise color adds a pop of brightness to your stovetop, and the included bamboo utensils are a nice bonus. Gentle on the non-stick coating. Whether you have a gas, electric, or induction cooktop, these pans are compatible, making them versatile for different kitchen setups. Imagine easily sautéing potatoes or gently cooking fish without any sticking issues. In conclusion, the MELENTA non-stick frying pans set offers a blend of practicality and thoughtful design. They make cooking simpler and cleaning easier. And the inclusion of bamboo utensils is a sweet touch. If you need reliable non-stick pans that are also easy on the eyes, this set is worth considering. It's a solid choice for everyday cooking needs, and it won't disappoint whether you're making a quick breakfast or a more elaborate dinner. These MELENTA non-stick frying pans aim to please. Pros: non-stick, ceramic 8-inch pan, 10-inch pan, egg pan, omelet pan, cool handle, bamboo. Tools: induction ready, PFOA-free, turquoise color. Cons: might scratch easily, uneven heating possible, handles could get hot, utensils may be basic. Color might fade, could be less durable, smaller pan sizes, not for very high heat features. Non-stick, frying pans set 8-inch size, 10-inch size, ceramic pan, egg pan, omelet pan. Cool handle, bamboo utensils, induction ready. This MELENTA frying pan set has 2 non-stick ceramic pans, one 8 inches and the other 10 inches. They are good for making eggs and omelets. The handles stay cool when you are cooking. You also get bamboo tools to use with the pans. These pans can be used on induction stoves. They are made without PFOA, which is a type of chemical. This MELENTA frying pan set includes 8-inch and 10-inch non-stick ceramic pans in a turquoise color, suitable for eggs and omelets. The pans have stay cool handles and come with bamboo utensils. They can be used on induction cooktops and are made without PFOA. However, the turquoise coating might scratch easily, and there's a possibility of uneven heating and the handles getting hot. The included utensils might be basic, and the color could fade over time, suggesting they might not be very durable and are best used on low to medium heat due to their smaller sizes.